Ramesh came to our house on a Sunday afternoon and weather was outside very cold and dry. We were running humidifier in our house. Ramesh asked, "What is that?" I said, "It is a humidifier." Ramesh asked, "What is a humidifier and how to use that?" I said, "Let me explain it to you." Let's see what is a humidifier, why we use it, and how we use a humidifier. Humidifier uses advanced ultrasonic technology. It uses electronic frequencies to vibrate and breaking down the water into small particles so that those can disperse into the air to moist it and kill bacteria that may be there in the dry air. Remedying dry skin. The humidifier is more helpful during the winter because the level of humidity drops during this season and causes dry skin. It increases the amount of atmospheric water vapors and add moisture to the air. Sound sleep. If you tend to snore because of dry throat, this device could be helpful to maintain a moist environment inside your room and encourages a deep and good sleep. Healthy and happier plants. When the temperature dips down, indoor plants suffer more because soil becomes drier than usual. Humidifier diffuse tangible water vapors in the air through to make your plants happy. Maintaining home furnishing. Dry air results cracks and splits in your home furnishings. Humidifiers set a level of moisture inside and maintain your furnishing for a longer time.